Well guys, according to the internet, I gotta change out the front end again. It's just, apparently, you know, it's just not the right thing to do. Being unique is not a good thing, apparently. How's it going today, guys? Trucks from Water here, and in today's video, I'm gonna be going over why I did what I did with the front end of this truck, and I'm responding to some interesting comments I got on the video releasing the front end of this truck. This video does not pertain probably to 95% of you all. Sorry for the wind noise, by the way. But I'll be going over some stuff that I got comments on. So basically, the reason why I chose a front end like this is because one of two reasons. One, it's different, really different, and two, because when I talked to my body guy about, because I always wanted to do a black bumper. That was always in the works. Like, that was not going to change. The grill, though, I wanted to color match to the truck. The issue with that is when I talked to the body guy that I deal with, he's been doing this for 50 plus years, well, 40 50 years. Does old classic Mopars, classic cars, new trucks, new cars, old cars, you know, whatever it is. He said, since I'm not respraying the whole truck, even when I get the body and paint correction and all that stuff, because I'm not respraying and putting new paint down, he will not be able to match up the paint on the grill to the paint on the body because it's plastic on metal. He said it'll be a shade or two off at best. So to me, with my OCD, and since I look at the truck every day and drive the truck every day, I couldn't do that. My OCD and everything would be absolutely just, I couldn't deal with that. So thinking about it, I had the black bumper on, and me and my dad and like Colin, Hunter, and everybody would come up with ideas then. Like, what about doing an all black grill? Thought about it, and the more I thought about it, the more I liked that idea because it's something different and unique. Now, I didn't want to keep it the primer that it came in, so I sent it to Linex. Huge shout out to Linex and Knoxville. You all killed it in this short amount of time I had to have this done by. Like, they absolutely freaking just killed it, and I can't thank you all enough. So that's why the new front end. Now, that being said, guys, this is not the end of the blacking out process. All the trim work, the chrome, all that's getting taken off when we redo the body, get all the stuff fixed on the body. But that's not going back on. It's just going to be the color of the truck, and then the back bumper is going to be color matched to the truck, or not color matched. It's going to be blacked out with the Linex like the front end is. So this is not just the ending point of redoing some of the body on the vehicle. A lot of people got that. There's a didn't get that informed right, or didn't see the video where I talked about that. The headlights are being changed out. The headlights, signal lights, and the marker corner lights are all going to be changed out to that that smoke tint basically headlight. So that's going to be changed out too. I was debating on it, and then I saw one at Rod Run that it was a color match grill, but I saw it around, I was like, I need to switch over to that. It looks so much better. So that's the reason why I did what I did there. Other thing is, I got comments saying like, it's gay, it's stupid, you screwed up, blah, 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 blah. And what I say to that is, number one, it's my build and my money. Two, if you want me to send you my PayPal information, I'll be more than happy to send you my PayPal information. You want to give me X, Y, and Z amount of money to get it redone your way, then be my guest. But that's not, I mean, the chrome looks good on these trucks. I'm not a fan of chrome. That's the problem. I've never been a fan of chrome. I never liked chrome on any vehicle, really, honestly, except for old classic cars. And I'm not a fan, like, color match, everyone does it too. And I get it, it looks good, but everyone does the color match, and that's just not my style. So I want to do something different, something unique. Too much now in the truck community, in the truck world. Again, this does not apply to everybody. 95% is fine. The other 5%, I don't know if like y'all didn't get taught respect or didn't get taught just to, you know, whatever, but by your parents. But so often the truck community now is, if you don't do it your way, you're wrong. If you don't do it my way, you're wrong. Like, it's all about, there's no like, okay, cool, you did it this certain way. Do I like it personally? No, it's just not my style, but I respect it because it's a build, if that makes any sense. True truck builders, not the ones that are doing it for the Insta fame, not the ones doing it because whatever reason is, but they just love to build trucks and they love to modify their trucks and whatever, will respect it. At the end of the day, if you love vehicles and love trucks, you will respect someone's build because it's their build. Too often now, it's all about the Instagram likes. It's all about the notoriety. It's all about who can pull the most girls, quote unquote. It's not about who's got the most unique style. Has someone done this before? Probably. I haven't seen it, but someone's probably done that before, yes. But I haven't seen it personally. Everyone at Rod Run, everyone that came up to me at Rod Run and loved the build, I want to thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting me, the truck, the YouTube channel, the Instagram. You all don't know what it means to be like, I mean, guys, I'm not trying to brag or anything by any stretch of the imagination, but it's so cool getting noticed when you got stuff, when you do stuff for your truck. Don't get me wrong, it's really, really freaking cool. But you know, it's just kind of one of those things, and I'm not here to gripe and complain and moan and groan about always me, I'm getting picked on or anything. I'm trying to make you all aware, because I get asked all the time about how do I start a YouTube channel up, like what do you have advice-wise, and of course I kind of tell them the technical aspects, but I tell them, learn the difference between people just griping and being mean and constructive criticism. Like, a lot of my OBS friends, they said, hey, try the smoke lenses with that, look really good. And the more I thought about it, the more I saw it, they're right, it'll look really good on this truck. That's why I'm switching over to it. The reason why I didn't do it initially, because A, I didn't know how it was going to look, and B, I didn't have time. This was like, literally, we got this done Wednesday and the Thursday. Like, this was like a crunch. This is the worst crunch I've ever had for an event. And I promised I would have it done by Rod Run. I was going to keep my promise. So, we banged it out. The bumper was done a week before that, but we banged out the grill, made sure everything fit right, fits snug and tight and everything. But that's why. So, I just want to say basically though, is if you can't say it to someone's face, don't type it out on a keyboard. That's like one of my golden rules about doing stuff on the internet. If you're not willing and man enough to say to someone's face, then don't say it at all or type over a keyboard. So it makes you look like just makes you look bad, honestly. I've never had anyone come up to me and tell me to my face what they've said on the internet. Like all the crude, rude, and terrible stuff people have said on the internet. Never had it said to my face. I would have more respect for someone if they said it to my face than over a keyboard, a touch screen, or whatever they use to watch my videos and comment and Instagram posts and whatnot. But I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with the world. I can't fix it. It just is what it is. But most of you all, like I said, most of you all understand that. And I've got one of the best fan bases around. I'm 99.99% sure. I mean, you all kill it with every video, likes, comments, subscriptions. You all just kill it, and I can't thank you all enough for that. So with that being said, if you want to get into this YouTube thing, you're going to have to learn to filter. But I will say I will support you 100%. You gotta be willing to take constructive criticism, because I had to take constructive criticism when I first started, and I'm still learning about new and better things about YouTube and whatnot. But I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for supporting the truck, supporting everything you do. You all don't know how much it means to me, to the family, to everybody that is involved with trucks and water. So to end this video, I want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope this resonated with some of you all. Maybe it woke some of you all up or whatnot. But thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing, changing, and trying new and better things. I hope you all have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.